Channel. Today we are discussing how to create patch function for all Power Apps input controls and store the data in SharePoint list. So now we have to create one SharePoint list. Okay, in our side I am creating one country city list. This list have city, country, company name. These are the column names. Okay, these are all we need. And one more list I have created. That one is operation list. So this one. So I have created these columns. So in these columns we have to store the data from all Power Apps input controls. Okay, so now we have to open Power Apps. In the Power Apps, I have already created patch function for this text input control and radio button and drop down and combo box. These all are inputs I have created before video. So please check it. Now I am creating patch function for these input controls: date and picker and checkbox, rating input control, toggle input control, and list box input control. So we have to creating patch function for these all input controls right now. So we have to create first patch function for these all input controls. Okay, let's see. Here here this one is city is the column name. So here I have taken one combo box. Okay, see here, this is the combo box. So now we have to create patch function for this combo box. Okay, in the combo box items property we have to mm, give one condition, this one, filter country city. So now it is the taken city names in our city country uh, list. Okay, it will take city names only. Okay, now we will write on patch function for this one. Here, come on, now we will give column name city. So assign the combo box. Okay, combo box 1 dot selected dot city. Okay, this is the patch function for this combo box. So now I have to create patch function for this signature column. Okay, this is the pen input control. Okay, right now we have to create for this patch function. Here I will take comma signature is the column name. So I have assigned for the pen input control pen input dot image means this is the data type is image. In I have created column also data type for image column, image data type. Okay, signature pen input dot image. Fine. So here comma so let's see what is the name here. Pen input, right? Okay, that one is correct. Signature pen input dot image. So here now I will create patch function for date picker and checkbox, list box, rating, toggle, and slider. Okay, now we have to create patch function for this date picker. So okay, here now date dog. So this is the column name. So date picker 1 dot selected date. Okay, this is the patch function for picker date. Okay, here comma. So now I have to create patch function for checkbox. Okay, here are you Indian, this is the column name. Here assign the checkbox. Okay, here first we have to create one condition. So when I click on check, that time it will store the s value name, or else and the box is unchecked, that time it will store the data no. Okay, now we have to create one condition here. If checkbox 1 dot value equals to true, so here what will say, yes or no, right? Here yes or no, function will be closed. So this is the condition for checkbox input control. Okay, this is the patch function. So here comma, now I will create patch function for list. So here list box input control, here items property we have to give the uh, data source like list name here. So put on list name here, so it will automatically, so here we will take the value. So this is the list name, here we will take a value of column name. Okay, company names I have taken here, so it will automatically shown here column name, I mean column data. Okay, so now we will create for patch function for this list box. Okay, here okay, list box company equals to, so here, so list box dot selected dot column name, right? Company names. Okay, this one is patch function for this list box input control. So again we have to create another input control rating. So this is the rating is data type is number. Okay, we have to taken in column number column. So here write on patch function for this rating. So here comma rating is to rating dot value. So here the taken number only. So we have to, when I enter the rating like 2 or 3 or 5, that time it will take the number. So this is the patch function for this input control. Okay, come on. So now again we have to create for patch function for this toggle. Okay, this is the toggle is, so this control is off and on. Okay, and let's see how to create for this one. So here now I will create to toggle. So toggle equals to, now it will, here I will take one condition, if condition, if toggle 1 dot value equals to true, that time what will take the values comma off and on comma off, close the function. Okay, So now I will create patch function for the toggle. This is the patch function for this input control. Okay, again I will create one patch function for slider. This is the percentage, like this is the value. Okay, now I will create patch function for slider here, comma, slider. This is the column name. Assign the slider input control. Okay, slider 1 dot value. Okay, this is the patch function for these input controls. Okay, let we have to run this app. How to store the data in backend SharePoint list. Okay, let we will check. So here save once, it will save. So now run this app. Here title, enter the data. So we have to given the data. Here you will checkbox. Okay, company name take one. So here rating is 4, on slider is 85%. Okay, you can now save the details. So here data will be stored successfully. Your item is created successfully. Okay, now go to our list, refresh here. So this is the data. So operations, so Raja mail Hyderabad. So this is the pen input control like image. So here it will take data. So I have checked as right. So this is on. So slider also it will take 88%. Okay, toggle is on. So this is the input controls. I'm creating patch function for this store the data in SharePoint list. So this is the patch function for this one. Okay, so now I will check it once again. So here patch female, so given like this, uncheck off. Okay, now it will save. Here see, it will store the data in SharePoint list. Okay, see, thanks for watching. I hope this one is helpful for you. Thank you. So I'm giving the patch function in description. Please check once. Thank you.